Look at this bad boy coming in. Oh my gosh. See if I can zoom in some more. So I'm actually in a parking lot, guys, watching planes take off and land because I just absolutely love airplanes. Wanted to be a pilot, FYI. Changed my mind. So this is still like a huge passion that I'm so crazy about. Like, it's ridiculous how much I love it. So waiting for another one to come in. I want to see a big jet coming in now. So I got lucky. Here's another one coming in. So cool. This one is really slow. Must be a big one. Oh my gosh. And look, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like 2 more coming in. So this one is gonna land first. Oh my gosh, I'm missing it. Oh, there it is. It's so beautiful. Okay, so this is gonna land first. I know I'm a freak for aeronautic stuff. Like, I love aviation. It's killing me. I wish I was a pilot right now. So that guy just blew me out the way. And another one. Ooh, look at the light. It's blinding me. So small, but like in actuality it's really huge, but it's kind of far away. Sorry for the bad video, but this is so cool. This is how I'm spending my Saturday. Oh, those lights though. I'm trying to get it. So united. Touchdown. Okay, that's it for me. Bye, guys.